Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you want to hear, my name is Belle, and today I'm super excited to get into some new products that I've recently got in the post and just haven't had a chance to try out. I haven't been wearing makeup for the last, I want to say like 5 to 6 days. So yeah, we're going to try it out now. It's actually quite early in the morning at the moment. So yeah, do apologize if my energy and my voice is sounding a little bit low pitched. But yeah, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. So let's get right into it. We're focusing on the base today. I've already primed my skin. I did prime with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going to go in with the foundation to begin with. Now this is not a new foundation, but it's new for me. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. This was the one that everyone was saying was like a dupe to the NARS Natural Radiant foundation, which I also have here. Near enough done. Obviously the bottles do look really similar, but I'm gonna try out the Anastasia one because I've not tried it out before. So this is in the shade 500C. It was quite tricky choosing my shade online, but I'm just crossing my fingers that it works out for me. Let's just give it a shake and then we can apply it and see what it looks like. So just going in with a pump and a half, this is what the shade looks like. I think it could potentially work for me, but let's just see. Yeah, oh, okay, it looks like it could actually work for me. I still think I will need to cover some of my hyperpigmentation. So I'm going to take my NARS Natural Radiant in New Caledonia. Oh, just for comparison purposes, this is New Caledonia. I was actually trying to choose a shade that was close to New Caledonia. I feel like New Caledonia has a bit more of a golden undertone. 500C, obviously C is like supposed to be cool. I've actually been going in with a lot less foundation these days, just especially because it's been quite hot outside as well. Oh my gosh, look how easy that was to blend. This brush, this is a new brush that I recently got. It's the Morphe E63 brush. This is the one that came with the Filter Effect foundation, but it was only like a package deal in the US. So I had to buy it separately here in the UK, but I love how that sunk right into my skin. And the shade, I like the way it looks on my skin. And the reason why I got it is because I feel like it was gonna be a little bit more luminous than the NARS one. Even though the NARS one is a natural radiant finish, this one specifically says luminous. And I have really been enjoying like luminous foundations recently, and I'm glad that I did, because so far I do see that luminosity and I do like the way it's blended right into my skin. And also I'm going on holiday in 2 weeks, so I think this foundation is literally going to be perfect for me to take with me. I might actually wear this for my birthday. Yeah. Okay, moving on swiftly. Okay, onto bronzer. New bronzer that I've recently got in the post is the ABH bronzer. This is the cream bronzer in the shade Chesnut. Now this is the second to last shade. I was going to go for the shade Hazelnut, but I felt like it had more of a neutral undertone, and I thought that would actually be just a little bit too light for me, so I thought let me go for Chestnut. When I've opened it up, it looks like it is quite dark, but then again I was like, well, considering that I'm deliberately getting darker foundations and looking a little bit more tan, or trying to, it may work for me. So I'm just like crossing my fingers that it's going to be okay. So I'm just going to actually start off with applying on my fingers. So this is what the shade's looking like for anyone that wants to know. I think it actually could work, to be honest. And as I'm rubbing it into the product, it does go into like a really balmy texture. So I think based on that, it could actually be one of those that blend out really easily and just sink right into the skin. I think this shade actually is a good one, you know. Obviously when it's winter, I don't think this one is going to be a good one for me to go for. Right, let's give it a blend. Oh my gosh, didn't I tell you? I did say that this is going to be one that blends right easily. It's literally just sunk right into my skin. No effort whatsoever. I mean, come on mate, come on. And clearly, as you can see, a little bit goes a long way. Like, you really don't even need that much. See, look, some people complain about products being too expensive, but when they give you a product that is high quality and super easy to apply and use, like, what more could you ask for? Seamless. I already love how tanned I'm looking. Oh, I can't wait. I'm going on holiday in 2 weeks, so I'm like fingers crossed that I get a nice tan, because it says it's going to be like 40-45 degrees out there, so I'm going to deliberately try and get myself a tan. Moving on to concealer. A new concealer that I've been using recently, it's the Mercier concealer. This is in the shade W5. It's their Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer, and surprisingly so far this is the only concealer that hasn't actually been creasing under my eyes. So yeah, I've used this so far I think like 3 times times, I want to say. This is going to be my 4th time, but so far I really like it, and the shade is literally just right for me. It's going to give me that nice bright under eye. Obviously, if I wanted to go for something a little bit more toned down, then I probably would just put like a little tiny bit of this, but I'm loving the undertone. I recently also picked up a new sponge. This is the Morphe microfiber sponge. I've never tried a microfiber sponge before. I haven't actually used it to blend out my concealers. It is dry at the moment just because I forgot to wet it. To be honest, it is quite big, so even when I do wear it, it does go really big and just a little bit too big for what I usually like to go for under my eye. And when it says long wearing, I can tell you that so far it has been long wearing. But again, I've only been wearing it indoors, so I think I will try it like outdoors as well. To be honest, I literally can't wait to get away now because it was sunny in England for like a good couple of days, but now it's just, the weather's been so poorly. Like honestly, like outside right now it's grey, it looks really cold. It's been raining this morning as well. It's not raining at the moment, but the sun is here. So this is our base so far. I really like how my base is coming along. I feel like this sponge is nice, but it does take a little bit longer to blend, maybe because I haven't wet it. Obviously it's a different texture because it's microfiber, but so far so good. Moving on to our blusher. Again, I picked up the ABH blush. This is the new one. Oh, just look at the shade. Look at the shade. Let me swatch this one. I gotta swatch this one. Oh, babes. This is really for the chocolate girls. Really for the chocolate girls. Obviously, if you're lighter and you like a little bit more of like a deeper peach undertone blush, I think you will like this as well. And it does come with a brush on the other end. This is giving me Makeup by Mercier vibes because his was the first that I saw like this. I am going to try it with the blush. Sorry, with the brush, just to see, you know, how much it blends. Easy in terms of like application. So I definitely will be taking this on holiday with me as well because it's definitely travel friendly. Right, let's try it with the brush. Okay, yeah. Ease. Very easy. Oh, that was light work. That was light work. I didn't expect that. I thought it would be a bit more like difficult to blend or take longer, but that was light work, mate. Literally. That blended right in so quickly. Oh my gosh, ABH, what have you done to me? If you guys are a regular, you would know that I've been loving my like red / burgundy blushes, but wanted to switch it up and do something a little bit different, and I like the way this looks. And I like the fact that it gives me like a nice luminous finish as well, because that's what I'm into with my cream blushes. So I'm a happy bunny. I don't remember how much this was, but it wasn't cheap, let's just say that. But it's a high-end brand, what do you expect? And guys, we have a new setting powder. I got my hands on it, the Holly Boon setting powder. I was really excited to try this out, and I'm so glad that I actually get a chance to do so now. It is a yellow powder. I haven't opened it up yet. Oh, I'm so glad it comes with like a protector inside as well. Let's just apply it with this sponge. Obviously the sponge is going to apply more coverage than I suspect maybe, but let's give it a go. Oh wow. Oh wow, that powder looks really nice. I feel like the sponge is not applying it the way I want to. I feel like the powder gets a little bit stuck like in between the fibers. So I'm actually just going to swap over to a brush. I think it's going to look even better when I set it with like my regular sponge the way I usually do, because that just literally sinks right into my skin, whereas at the moment I don't get that, and that's not because of the product, it's just because of the application. It's okay, we all have our preferences. Some people prefer to apply with a sponge, some people prefer a brush. It is what it is. But this powder, baby, it looks really, really good. Holly Boon, honey, you did that, baby. You did that. I like it. This powder was so affordable as well. Honestly, I really like this setting powder. I didn't know what to expect. I did pick up the bronzer as well. This is what the shade looks like. This is the shade 07 Dark. It looks a little bit lighter on camera for some reason. Hopefully that's showing like a little bit more of the true shade. To be honest, it was quite tricky choosing my shade on the website. I was battling out of 7 and 8, but I just thought, you know what, let me go for 7. I don't want to apply like a powder bronzer because I really like the way this ABH one is looking, but I do like to put bronzer like in my crease, so I'm just going to apply this one in my crease, and that would be a way for me to test it out and see if I like it or not. As I'm trying to pick up the product, there's quite a lot of kickback for me. That's going to tell me this product is gonna have pigment. Yep, I like this shade. I think this shade will work like a lot better probably in like the winter season when I don't want to look too warm. I feel like I could definitely still wear it in the summer as well, to be fair. But if you want to look a little bit more warm toned, then, or actually if you're lighter skin tone than me, I think number 7 will work for you. But if you're like my shade or a little bit deeper and you like that really nice warm bronze look, then I think you would prefer number 8. I picked up a new mascara and a new lip product as well. This is a little bit of this, a little bit of that, Uoma Beauty by Sharon C. It's complicated lip tint, oil and gloss. So you can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips, you can use it as a tint, or you can use it as a gloss. I have used this already. I've used it as a blush and a lip oil or like a lip gloss, and I do like it. And I also picked up their mascara as well. This is the Bada Boom Au Natural Volumizing Mascara. So I'm going to put the lip product on first and then the mascara, because it usually takes me a little bit longer to put on my mascara. But with the lip product, this is all I'm going to do. Just look at the shade, please. I'm loving it. This is why I like this shade, because it's so natural. It's like the perfect nude. But I will say that it does dry down like a little bit darker, which I wasn't expecting, but it still works regardless. I don't want it to go in my mouth while I'm talking. Maybe I should just stop talking. So this is what it looks like. I do want to apply a little bit more of a layer, but I'm just going to quickly like finish the rest of my face in terms of like my eye makeup, my eyebrows, put a little bit more of this, and then I will come back with the final look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, we've kept it really minimal today, a little bit more than what I've probably been doing. Obviously it's not that hot outside, so I feel like I can wear a little bit more makeup, but also I got new hair as well. It is quite long, like, I mean, if I stand up. So yeah, this is how long my hair is at the moment. It's literally like past my hip. But yeah, I've never had hair this long, and I thought I'd do something new for my birthday. Getting closer to my 30s, not long left now. But anyways, really happy with how my makeup came out today. I like how minimal it looks as well, and the blush is actually quite nice. I think especially because I am deeper in complexion, it's looking really nice and soft on me. I feel like if someone darker than me wore it, you would be able to see it a little bit more, but I still feel like it's visible enough, so I'm happy. Like, I don't really have anything bad to say about it. I love the way it makes my skin glow, and I'm actually kind of glad that I didn't get the highlighter on top now, because that would have just been an extra bit of glow. I sort of like the glow that looks like it's coming from within, and I feel like this is what this is giving me. Like, I haven't even put any highlighter on, and just look at the glow. I mean, what can I tell you? This is what the Uoma Beauty lip tint looks like. It does dry down darker, so to speak. It is sort of like a gloss, so you can see it is still shiny and still looking like a gloss. I do have another shade as well, and I do also have their foundation, but I will try it out in another video. I wasn't going to post a video about that because I didn't have the best experience shopping on their website, but that's for another video. Anyways, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very happy with everything that I've tried in this video. I will leave everything in the description bar down below, as I usually do. Do have another video coming up for you guys. This video may be up on my birthday. My birthday's tomorrow, so it might actually be up on my birthday. I am going to do a birthday get ready with me in another video as well. But if you see this on my birthday, which is the 31st of July, wish me a happy birthday. That would make me so happy. Well, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm about to start my day now anyway, so I'm going to shoot off. But yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and of course I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.